started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1. Most popular. Intex 15-foot X 48-inch metal frame pool set with filter pump, ladder, ground cloth, and the spacious, durable, and affordable Intex features everything you need to get started. It's an easy-to-assemble set made of rust-resistant stainless steel to last for a very long time. A filter and pump mean you'll be able to use the pool safely right away once it's been set up. The pump even features new hydro aeration technology that keeps the water clearer and more pristine than ever before. It's the perfect option for buyers looking for a reasonably priced above-ground pool the whole family can enjoy. One area of concern pertains to the pool liner. The elegant soft blue pattern looks very nice at first, but fades quite quickly, often just months after the point of purchase. This issue does not affect the performance of the pool, but does deteriorate its appearance very quickly. Number 2. Intex 18-foot X 52-inch Ultra Frame Pool Set with stand filter pump, ladder, ground cloth, and pool cover. What's exciting with this one we reviewed is that you have the option to add a saltwater system. Personally, I think this should not be an option but a necessity. To have an above-ground pool with saltwater system that doesn't use harmful chemicals to keep the water extra clean, yes please. Additionally, it's a better cleaning method than the one that uses chlorine. This is undoubtedly the top above-ground pool in this buying guide. This large above-ground pool is made of great materials and is guaranteed to last for a number of years. Its water capacity is up to 6,981 gallons. Number 3. Intex 18-foot x 9-foot x 52-inch Ultra XTR Rectangular. This rectangular pool set by Intex is spacious for family and friends to enjoy. Designed with a sturdy steel frame, rust-resistant coating, and puncture-resistant construction, this pool will make a great addition to the kids' summer fun or relaxation after a long day. Uniquely designed frame combines high-quality galvanized steel with precision-engineered locking system, enhancing the overall quality, durability, and stability of the pools. Rust resistance. Encapsulating inner and outer powder coating ensures the ultimate resistance to rust. 2-year manufacturer's warranty. Includes 110 to 120 volt sand filter pump with pump flow rate of 1200 GPH, pool ladder, ground cloth, and pool cover. Ready for water in 60 minutes. Water capacity 90%. 4,545 gallon. Number 4. Steel Pro 12x30 Frame Pool Set. The Best Way Steel Pro is somewhat more basic than our top choice. With smaller dimensions, it won't be optimal for large families, but it does make for a perfectly sized personal pool. Thanks to a reasonable price tag, it will also be an enticing option for buyers who are looking to save some money. Despite keeping things simple, the Best Way does have it where it counts. The stainless steel frame means a pool that will last many seasons. It's also very easy to set up and even includes an instructional DVD to further simplify the process. Keep in mind that this is a bare-bones package that includes only the assembly materials. You'll have to purchase vital accessories, pumps, ladders, etc. separately. Number 5. Intex 18-foot by 48-inch Easy Set Pool Set with filter pump, ladder, ground cloth, and pool cover. This is already more than what in-ground pools can carry. You don't have to worry about its durability because its sidewalls are made of laminated PVC. This makes it extra strong and sturdy enough to support the activities happening inside the pool. This set includes filter pump, ground cloth, ladder, and debris cover. The ground cloth and debris cover help to keep it free from any ground debris. Its filter pump is a crystal clear cartridge filter pump, and this is known good circulation the water inside. Good water circulation means clean and clear all the time. In addition, it's available in different sizes. For more details, link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.